Hello, 7th and 8th grade painting class. This is your introductory video to what you're going to be doing while I am away recovering from knee surgery for the next week. We have gotten started on this project before I left, but I will be doing step-by-step videos in case you weren't here to select and draw your animal and divide it into geometric and or organic shapes. That should be where we're picking up, but I will do an additional video on how to draw and enlarge your animal and how to divide it into geometric and organic shapes if you weren't here. So you are creating a geometric animal. You're first going to select an animal from one of the handouts that I had in class, or you are more than welcome to look one up online. Some of the handouts already showed them broken up into geometric shapes. Some of them were just outlines, then you could decide how you wanted to divide it up. Once you divide it up, you're dividing it either into all geometric shapes, like this example. Also notice that we are utilizing the space of the paper. The animal is the focal point. Sorry, I can't fit all of me in here. We are not putting anything in the background. However, we can cut these out. So if you, if your watercolor colored pencils bleed into the background, we can cut them out for a cleaner display. So don't stress too much. And if you want to leave it on the white paper, great, but that might be an option at the end. Anyway, animal's the focal point, so we're sketching it large to fit the size of our paper, and then you're choosing either all geometric shapes, all organic shapes, which we discussed in class as a smaller version, or you could do a combination of. So in this penguin version, I did half geometric, half organic. So remember, organic is more free-flowing shapes, geometric are angular, straight lines. But we're thinking about the directions that those lines or those shapes should flow to enhance the animal. So we're trying to sort of give it a little bit of three-dimensionality and not make it completely flat, like we should be able to tell what it is. Here would be another unfinished one of a giraffe where I did organic shapes here and then geometric shapes here. These are all just works in progress. Be sure to check out the Google slide, which will also be posted on your Painting Google Classroom for all kinds of examples, ideas, different ways you could take this project, grading criteria, all that good stuff. So that is in the Google slide on the Google Classroom under When Mrs. Dundon Is Gone. So be sure to check that out. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here because then I'm gonna break this down into various segments of videos depending on where you're at in the project. Step one will be drawing the animal and dividing it into shapes. And then step two, I'm gonna be showing you how to add color. For this project, you are going to be using watercolor colored pencils. We are not going to be painting like with tempera or acrylic while I'm gone. Just don't want to risk ruining paintbrushes. So watercolor colored pencils. Please make sure you're not getting these mixed up with regular colored pencils. These need to stay separate because they are not the same. These are going to be located on a table under the windows, so keep an eye out for where those are located. We are looking to create value in this project. So again, I'll be discussing more of that when we get to the demo on how to add color, but we are looking to add value to this project, blending colors or just releasing on the pressure of your colored pencil to create a gradual transition from light to dark. Okay, I'm trying to think if there's anything else crucial I need to tell you in the introductory, other than please, please, please be amazing. You it's a close call between you and general art. So you're second place right now. This is a great opportunity for you to earn a ton of extra points because there are 6 classes that I'm going to be missing. For each day that you get attend while I'm not here, you get to roll the dice. So that's 6 opportunities to roll the dice for extra points. So be super helpful to the substitute teacher. Work hard. This project is due on Friday, November 15th. So I'm expecting you to get this done in the 6 days while I'm not here. Considering that before I left, you should have drawn it and divided it. So you have 6 days to fill each of those shapes with value and apply the water, which I feel like is more than enough time. I will be posting a second project in case you finish early, which is gonna be, oh, I don't have the example near me, but it's gonna be a Zentangle City project. So you will see under When Mrs. Dundon's Gone, project 2. That's only if you finish this project, okay? This is 100 points towards your overall grade. Project 2 is also 100 points towards your overall grade. This one I'm expecting you to definitely get done by November 15th. And then if you start the second one, obviously, we'll finish that after I return. Okay. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to email me or contact me through Google Classroom or Parent Square, however suits you. I will just be laid up on my sofa, icing my knee. So if you have any questions, email me and I will be happy to help you. I will try to be checking that. Okay? All right, be awesome. I can't wait to see your beautiful geometric animals when I return.